Let's share some thoughts today. WFH and SFH. Well, we all know the work from home movement, that it's begun, it's here, and it's here to stay. But second to that, and as important, is what I'm calling the school from home movement. More and more people, as costs are ramping up, costs of fuel, distances, traveling time, everything's changing, are homeschooling their children. So with this in mind, homes need to change. They're needing offices, especially single family homes are changing. They're needing offices, they're needing places for children to study and quiet areas, and this in itself has created a market. We are going to see growth in this area, not only in built homes of single family homes, but in homes to be developed as well, because need has created value. As an investor, do as in sport, run where the ball is, buy where the need is. Happy investing.